Hello and welcome back to the workshop vlog, episode 12, part 2. Now I've never done a part 2 to a workshop vlog because usually I just let them run to about 16 minutes. I've done a 16-minute one before, but in this case, to be honest, I'm struggling for room on my phone at the moment. I'm filming too many videos at the moment and just haven't got around to editing them because that chopping board video, which I've just finished editing, is 12 and a bit minutes long, and I did have about 2.5 hours of footage to edit through, so as I'm sure you can imagine, I'm filling my phone up with footage, and I don't have any games or things on my phone. It's just mostly filming stuff. But to be honest, I like taking photos and things. A new big project. I've done the bird table, which the people who I made it for were really happy with, which of course makes me really happy to see people liking the things I make. And I'm going to be making a sawbuck. Now, if you don't know what a sawbuck is, I didn't either. I just thought it was a sawhorse. It's essentially, oh, that's a good example. So, this is a log. Imagine, it's a pencil, and you rest it. I need another pair of scissors, and I don't have one. Oh well, we'll have to imagine you've got two of these. You basically support it like that, and you can then use your chainsaw or saw to cut through it, and it just supports it better than trying to balance it on your leg or whatever. So I'm going to be making one of those for someone, and then I'll also make myself one. I'll only do one video for it, obviously. Apologies about the noisy vehicles outside. There is going to be a new upload schedule as well. So the workshop vlog will be on Monday, which is, today. The small project will be on Wednesday. Now this will be only sometimes. Now the reason I'm saying this is because 3 videos to get out a week is a lot. And I also do other things. This obviously isn't my job or whatever. I only have a small subscriber base at the moment. I'd love to grow it though, so feel free to share the video around. Workshop vlog will be on Monday, yes. Small project will be on Wednesday, and as I've said, that'll be sometimes, I suspect every 2 weeks or so I'll put a video out on Wednesday. So for example, a small project could be turning a bowl, or what else have I done? Anything. I would say basically if it's under 6 minutes, it will be a small project. When I say projects, it's more about the length of the video. So it'll basically be workshop vlog will be whatever length it comes to. Small project will be on Wednesday, so hopefully that'll be about 6 minutes long. Big project will be on Saturday. Now, for this week, I'm actually switching that around. So Wednesday, there will be the biggest video, and that will be 12 minutes long-ish, and that will be the chopping board video. Saturday will be, might even be the boat. That's another big project. So this week we're going to have 2 big projects out, if I can get around to editing it, because again, I've got about 3 hours of footage to edit for that, which takes me about 2 hours to edit, because I can chop out a lot of the stuff, because a lot of it's just waffle, like I'm doing now. Boat video coming this week, and oh yeah, I've got my coffee stained poplar bowl, supposedly that's coming out this week. That'll be next week, it won't be this week. Next week, nope, that'll be Wednesday. Oh, I wrote this last week, that's why, that explains it. Next week, so this week will be the walnut chopping board and this workshop vlog. Shout out segment. So, Heritage Custom Woodworks made this awesome planter. It's absolutely amazing. I will leave a picture there. Yeah, I'll put a picture to the side of me. And I hope you guys like the way I do that picture there, by the way. So he made this awesome planter. It's very, very big. It's made out of decking boards. It's very long. Still needs painting, but so he said he wasn't sure whether I wanted to put it in a workshop vlog. And it's woodwork, so of course it's going in a workshop vlog. Painting is obviously cool, but the primary function of this is woodwork. So I think that's really awesome. Great job. I'll leave a picture there, as I said. The next person who sent me something was Plain Handmade, and I was going to do that other bowl, but I've actually decided I like this one so much I want to show this one. So they haven't actually finished it yet. Bit similar to Heritage Custom Woodworks, as in they both have got bits they need to finish with it. So Plain Handmade's been making this beautiful U bowl. By the time I finish this video and edit it, they might have finished it. So if they have, I'll leave a finished photo. Otherwise, I'll leave what the outside looks like. It is absolutely stunning, and they finished it with Woodturners blend. Obviously, I'm going to say, if you want to purchase Woodturners blend, link down below. And I'll tell you what, because these have just come out this week, any order this week will come with a Woodturners blend sticker and a design and make sticker. Only till Friday, and then it will be back to just every Friday. And then I'm also going to be doing a branch to a bowl in one day, so it'll be a piece of sycamore, turn it, I'm going to use beetroot to dye it. Don't know what I'm going to use to finish it yet, because obviously I can't use Woodturners blend because I haven't collected and harvested that. So I literally want to only be using materials that I've harvested. So I've got beetroot in the garden, I'll just use the leaves to collect the dye. There's plenty of colour in there. I won't waste the actual beetroot. Sycamore, I harvested that. Well, I didn't harvest it. It was a fallen over log that I picked up in this branch now. I'm also going to be trying to do an Arduino series, which will be a collection of 3 videos. That'll be like a random series, so that won't be counted in the Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. That might just come out once every month, every Thursday. I want to get good at Arduino. I bought an Arduino kit because I wanted to learn Arduino. It's not an actual Arduino, it's the same board, because they share the same platform for the Arduino board, as far as I'm aware. And I'm going to be doing a series basically from never having touched it before, apart from setting up the software, which is dead simple. You just follow a couple of instructions, and literally going from beginner to competent with it, I guess. So that does sum up the vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. There's nothing else particularly to say. I'll show you back behind there, so you can see I have tidied all the way over there, and this is fairly tidy already. So the workshop's looking rather nice now. I'm really happy. If you have any suggestions, sorry about the camera, it's going to go rather dark. If you have any suggestions for what to put up, where is it? Over there? It's really weird because where I'm pointing is pointing out the door, but I'm actually pointing at that. There you go. Okay, so if you see where I'm pointing, this blue wall, I hate blank walls. I like to have stuff everywhere. I like it to look like a workshop. What should I put up there? I don't want to put the canvas prints up because they're for the new workshop. I don't want to get them all ruined. Can't put the stick all up, it's too big. Here we go. That's too big to fit up there. What should I put on that wall? I have been talking to someone about putting artwork up there. I could put artwork because I do some art from time to time, although again that could get ruined. I don't want to put picture frames up, so I want something different. If you have suggestions, feel free to put them down below. I am going to be putting my tiny bowls. Do you think that's a good idea, to put all my little bowls that I've turned all on some shelves along here? I've got a load of scrap MDF, so I'll just use that. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put my bowls up there. I will do that now, and then I'll show you that next week. Thank you for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed these 2 parts of the workshop vlog. It will be 2 parts now, given this is already 7.5 minutes long. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have anything you want to know, please put them down below. I do read every single comment. I also reply to every single Instagram message I get. So Instagram's the best place if you want a quick answer, because obviously it pops up on my phone. I don't have YouTube alerts on, but I check YouTube twice a day. I check in the morning and in the afternoon. And I do love reading your comments. It's one of the best bits about doing this YouTube thing. I really like seeing what people suggest, and also what people are making is a really cool thing as well. Especially when people use Woodturners blend and things that I've actually created, and people show me photos of stickers that they put on their walls of designer make stickers. It's really cool seeing this whole brand sort of grow, and the whole channel grow, and Woodturners blend grow. It's a nice feeling. So thank you for watching. I'll stop talking there. I hope you enjoyed this video.